Challenges and impact of records management. Content which consists of definition, EDMS concept, benefits of EDMS, challenges of implementing EDMS, e-government in Malaysia, e-records in Isabika, electronic document system in Iraq government, Turkey SITI, conclusions and reference. Definition. Record management, which means the supervision and administrations of digital or paper records regardless of format. EDMS, Electronic Document Management System, a software programs that electronically manage the creation, storage, and controlling the documents. ERMS, Electronic Records Management System, a software system that allows an organization to assign a specific life cycle to individual pieces of organizational information. EDRMS, Electronic Document and Records Management System, a type of content management system and refers to the combined technologies of document management and records management systems as an integrated system.
EDMS concept. Traditional data process, which is content management, including creating, storage, modify, retrieve, and display. Paper and file will convert to the web concept. Using the network, information can be found wherever and whenever. Benefits of EDMS. The usage, information management, it is provide benefit which is decision making, regulation and legislation, organizational memory, litigation prevention, organizational efficiency. The usage of benefits are easy to scratch, cost saving, fast access, more accurate, increase customer satisfaction. For the towards sector are for governments, business, and individual.
Challenges of implementing EDMS. Aggressive movement of technology. Information system managers struggle to fulfill the organization's requirements. Communication breakdown of managing data. E-government in Malaysia. 6 main projects were identified as e-records to be the core of the electronic government applications. First, electronic procurement, project monitoring system, PMS, electronic service delivery, e-service, human resource management information system, HERMIS, generic office environment, GOE, e-Sharia and electronic labor exchange, ELX. Challenge e-government face. First, observing on the development of e-records. Second, precision category. Third, user resistant to change. Fourth, metadata conflict. Fifth, extracting core metadata. Sixth, date last access, 7 automatic metadata, and the last file plan repositories.
Records management in Sub-Saharan Africa. Issue: visible presence of corruption of record management in Sub-Saharan Africa. The type of corruption are low economic freedom among countries, high level of bureaucracy, weak administrative structures in national institutions, poor government decentralization mechanism, poor professional capacities in supply chains, lack of procurement safeguards. Some research are not done for the comprehensively identified records management. E-records in Africa. Challenges of e-records readiness in institution. Lack of staff skills to manage records. Lack of legal framework. Difficulties in the transition to e-records and records disaster management. And lack of government or national archive involvement. Dealing with the challenges. The recommendations are: first, enforce suggestions suggested by different records and archive management researchers or scholars and practitioners. The second one is record managers in developing countries should be more involved with the other professionals in electronic information project. Third is analyze terminology and classify implementation phases, as well as the appropriate standards and best practice guidelines. Fourth is more comprehensive crosswalk of the standards and best practice guidelines. Five is enforce empirical research on how standards and best practice guidelines are used. Six is advertise awareness on records management. Seven is conduct an electronic records management system and ensure the continuous of the work through training the staff and proper monitoring and evaluation. 8 is adoption of ECM and more researches into the electronic information system running in the public service.
Electronic document system in Iraq government, Tirkit City. Challenge faced in Tirkit City: lack of IT facilities available to the government staff, low exposure and use of IT services or function. Suggestion to overcome the challenge: Iraq government should make electronic government accessible to all levels of Iraqi with confirmation and guardians to accept the new technology to achieve benefit for all. Upgrading and transforming e-government system in Iraqi government are suggested to be done in a stage which also can give the citizens some time to adapt to the new system. Okay, as at the conclusion, every country has their own challenges in implementing electronic record or document management system. Every side, not only the government, need to be involved in order to overcome the challenge that they are facing. Thank you.
Thank you.